Good morning all, I am Dr. Manish Tripathi. Today I am going to speak about renal replacement therapy. When our kidneys fail fully, we need its replacement through other modalities. There are three main modalities: hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis and kidney transplant. In hemodialysis, also known as the blood dialysis, the blood is filtered through the filters attached to the machine. It has to be done 3 times in a week, 4-hour sessions each. Second is peritoneal dialysis, in which the waste is filtered through the peritoneal membranes in the abdomen. A soft catheter is attached to the abdomen, and the fluid is instilled from the bag to the abdomen and then filtered through it. Third modality is the renal transplant, which is the best modality, in which kidney from a related donor is taken and it is put into the body by surgery, and this kidney is enough to sustain the life. Only immunosuppressive medications have to be taken throughout the life. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.